Hi guys, if you want to set up a free VPN on your iPhone to protect your privacy and data when using public Wi-Fi, you are in the right place. First, open the App Store and search for a free VPN application. I highly recommend this VPN Super Unlimited Proxy because it has a free and premium plan. Just download and open it. Once you land on this page, they are going to ask you to upgrade to a premium plan to unlock additional features. But if you don't need these features here, just click on Proceed with Ads in the bottom of the screen. It's very hard to see if you don't take a closer look. The only downside with this free plan is you are going to have ads. Click on Continue. Here you can choose what you prefer. If you don't want the app to track your websites and apps, just click on Ask App Not to Track. Once you are here, all you need to do is click on this power button here and then click Allow to allow the VPN configurations on your iPhone. Enter your iPhone passcode here and now you can see it's connecting. Wait for it to finish and then you can see you are connected to Seattle in the US. That's it, you successfully connected your iPhone to a free VPN to protect your data, especially for public Wi-Fi connections. Thank you for watching and see you next time.